So today I will be showing you how to make a thumbnail. Now, no, I am not talking about the kind of thumbnails you see on the end of your fingers, but I am talking about the kind of thumbnails you see before you click on a YouTube video. You will be needing a free software called Paint.net. Now, because it's free, I will be leaving a link in the description for you to go and download it for yourself so you can copy along with the tutorial. So let's begin. First thing you want to do, open up your browser and type in HD background and then put a keyword at the front like green, red or dog. Now I did find one I liked and I went with a green HD background. Once you find one you like, right click and click copy image. From there open up your Paint.net software, click on image and then click resize and make sure the height is 1200 by 80 and the width is 700 by 20. From there, you want to then go to the top left and click edit and then paste or paste into new layer. And then a box should appear saying expand canvas or keep canvas. You want to click keep canvas. From there, you want to expand the image that you see to fit the radius of the canvas.
Okay, little pause in the video here. I just want to say, if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And yes, let's get back to the video.
After that, you want to go back to your search engine and type in a keyword that has something to do with your video and then icon. I searched picture icon because a thumbnail is just a picture before a video. Once you have found an icon, copy it and then open up Paint.net. After you do that, click on edit and then paste into new layer. Once you do that, drag it and expand the size to your liking. On the left hand side is a box that's called layers. It should show up right there. Once you have added the background and the icon, you can then proceed to do the text. So to do that, you want to click layers or add new layer and then click on, make sure the layer is selected and then click text. Once you do that, you can then change the font and size and then type in at the bottom what you want it to say. I chose it to say make a thumbnail because that's what I'm displaying in this video, how to make a thumbnail. Now we are going to add something called a drop shadow. So to do that, you want to click effects, then object, and then drop shadow. From there you can change the blur radius or the thickness, which is the one above it. What I did is I did a black and then a white around it. You can do as many as you want and to your liking. I did 2 blacks and 1 red. I did white. I did a white blur around the 2 black lines I just made. Okay, right here I'm just adding a new layer with text on it saying for free. Now I used the exact same drop shadow as I did on the other text and I am using the same font and the same exact way I made my other text. Okay guys, that is how you make a thumbnail for your YouTube videos using Paint.net. If you did find this video helpful, hit that like button and leave a comment down below saying this worked for you. Now if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button because I'll be releasing more videos that can help you make your channel look a bit better.